Are you tired of shoeboxes full of receipts, cluttered inboxes, and the never-ending headache of expense reports? Do you find yourself wondering if there's a magic wand for managing your business expenses, and more importantly, what that magic wand might cost? If you're an entrepreneur, a freelancer, a small business owner, or even just someone trying to get a handle on their personal finances, you've probably heard whispers of Expensify. It's lauded as a lifesaver for expense tracking, but here's the burning question that often stops people in their tracks. How much is the Expensify app per month? It's a valid question, and one that often leads to a bit of head-scratching. Unlike some subscription services that proudly display their pricing on their homepage, Expensify's pricing structure can seem a little less straightforward at first glance. But don't worry, we're about to demystify it all for you. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of the numbers, let's understand why Expensify is such a popular choice. Imagine this: you're at a business dinner, and you pay with your personal card. Instead of scribbling notes on a napkin or promising yourself you'll remember to log it later, which, let's be honest, rarely happens, you simply snap a picture of the receipt with your phone. Expensify's SmartScan technology instantly reads the vendor, date, and amount, categorizing it for you. It's like having a personal accountant in your pocket, constantly organizing your financial data. Beyond just receipt scanning, Expensify offers a comprehensive suite of features. We're talking about automated expense reports that practically write themselves, direct integration with popular accounting software like QuickBooks and Xero, corporate card reconciliation, mileage tracking, and even bill pay. For businesses, it streamlines the entire expense management process, saving countless hours and reducing human error. For individuals, it brings clarity and control to their spending habits. Now, for the main event, the cost. Expensify primarily operates on a per-user, per-month basis, with different tiers designed to cater to varying needs. Their pricing is typically divided into two main categories: individuals and companies. For individual users, there are often free options available with limited features, perfect for someone just dipping their toes into expense tracking. These free plans might allow for a certain number of smart scans per month. However, for more robust features and unlimited scans, you'll generally look at a paid personal plan. While specific pricing can fluctuate and is best checked directly on their website, you can typically expect to see individual paid plans starting in the range of a few dollars per month. When it comes to companies, the pricing scales up based on the number of active users. Expensify offers various plans for businesses, from small teams to large enterprises. These plans usually include all the advanced features like custom reporting, multiple approvers, policy enforcement, and dedicated support. The per-user cost for businesses can vary depending on the plan you choose and the volume of users. It's common for these plans to be in the range of $10 to $20 per user per month, with potential discounts for annual billing or larger user quantities. It's crucial to visit Expensify's official website or contact their sales team for the most up-to-date and accurate pricing for your specific business needs, as they sometimes offer custom quotes. In essence, while there isn't one single, universal Expensify app per month price, their model is designed to be flexible and scale with you. Whether you're a lone wolf entrepreneur or managing a sprawling team, there's likely an Expensify plan that fits your budget and requirements. The key is to assess your usage, the features you need, and the number of people who will be using the app. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.